Guys, today we're going to be factory resetting the Desloc. Just so you know, a factory reset, that is going to completely remove the codes off of this lock. It'll also remove it off the app. So if you do the factory reset, you're going to need to go ahead and reprogram that lock afterwards. All right, so that's just a heads up before you factory reset. So we'll go ahead and take this off. And I like to remove the battery first, just to make sure that it has power. You just push down on the button here. You're gonna go ahead and take that out. We'll go ahead and put it back in and make sure that it has power. And we'll go ahead and push that in. There we go. We'll touch the front. There you go. It has power. Great. And then you'll see the two holes in between there. There's gonna be a button. We're gonna hold that button for about 3 seconds. So I'll go ahead and push down on it. 1, 2, 3.
Please press the confirm button.
There we go. And it said now that we've done the reset, we need to hit this confirm button. So you'll tap that. Sometimes it takes a couple of times to tap.
Reset complete.
And there you go. That's a factory reset on the Desloc. If you guys have any questions or you guys need any help with the locks at all, definitely let me know. I have a playlist here as well. I also show how to program the lock. So if you guys need anything, let me know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.